Hello students, we continue in our lecture by learning about the three kingdoms. To the alchemist, everything is alive and consists of a body and soul and a spirit, also called salt, sulfur and mercury. This is true in the vegetable kingdom, the animal kingdom and the mineral kingdom. That the plant world and the animal world are filled with living beings is obvious to all. Now notice what I said. The mineral kingdom is alive. The mineral world is looked upon as a non-living because we only understand carbon-based life. But to the alchemist, the mineral world is also teeming with life and consciousness, just as much as the other two kingdoms. The processes of alchemy reach into each of the three kingdoms in order to bring its subjects to a higher degree of perfection. In alchemy, all things are evolving, but considered to be exposed to a wave of energies becoming involved in matter as well, and thus subject to hindrances and impurities from matter, not ready or mature enough to evolve beyond a certain level, which is called corruptible matter. As a result, the energies of life are weakened and the energies of matter predominate when it is the energies of life which should predominate. We could probably talk, just as an example, on how everyday life is. The alchemists believe that by understanding nature and nature's laws and applying them with art, that it is possible to remove obstacles to the evolutionary wave so that the energies of life can predominate and lift the subject towards perfection. Nature is the greatest alchemist of all. She has all the time to complete the processes of evolution which are constantly unfolding around us like a symphony. The alchemist seeks to assist in this evolution utilizing nature's own laws and methods. In the laboratory, the alchemist can demonstrate nature's laws at work and can speed the processes up. Early observations of nature reveal that she moves in cycles, that there is a rhythm to everything. Vibration is a periodic event, circular in nature. Everything we see, everything we know of its vibration is because of this. There are certain harmonies established between things. From earlier times, people have observed the stars in order to understand the rhythm of nature. If one intends to help the process of evolution, one has to keep within nature's laws. You will not go out and plant a lettuce in the snow. So it is in the laboratory where the alchemist will await a specific time to carry out an operation in order to capture the momentum of subtle forces. There are so many and such connections between gardening and alchemical works. This concludes the end of Module 2. I hope you are enjoying so far the class, and let's go to learn a little bit more about astrology and alchemy in Module 3.